Hello everyone, welcome back again. So I'm going to take the one more problem on the flexible budget today. From the following expenses per unit, the related to budgeted production of 10,000 units, you have been asked to prepare flexible budget for production of 8,000 units and 6,000 units. So this is quite different problem over here, where the cost per unit has been going to be variated for the respectively for the number of units as it gets variated. And the below information is cost per unit of the 10,000 units, the budgeted production of 10,000 units. Materials 70 rupees, labor 25 rupees, and cost per unit. And very variable overhead is 20 rupees. Fixed overheads are rupees 1 lakh. It is going to be fixed cost for all the different levels of capacity. Variable expenses 5 rupees, and selling expenses 10% fixed out of 13 rupees. So selling expenses total cost per unit is 13 rupees. Out of 13 rupees, 10% is going to be fixed and remaining 90% is going to be considered as a variable cost. Whereas in the next distribution expenses, 7 rupees is out of 7 rupees, 20% fixed cost and remaining 80% is going to be considered as a variable cost. We have to calculate the cost per unit, fixed and as well as variable separately. That is another condition over in the problem. And administration expenses rupees 50,000. That cost per unit is going to be 5 rupees. For 10,000 units, cost per unit is 5 rupees and administration expenses is also 50,000 here. This information also we have to keep in the mind while calculating the budgeted for cost per unit for 8,000 units as well as for 6,000 units. So this is about the problem. The total cost per unit is 155 rupees for 10,000 units. The cost per unit out of 10,000 units, and you need to prepare 8,000 units and 6,000 units budgeted production over here. And another thing, in this problem they have not asked to prepare the cost per unit for 8,000 and 6,000, but even though we are going to calculate for our understanding level. Well, let me go for the solution part. Well, this is about the problem here. Flexible budget when unit cost is given at 6,000, 8,000 and 10,000 units. So let me go one by one. First we have taken 10,000 units here and 6,000 and cost at 8,000 units. The variable cost. So out of variable cost, materials and variable labor, variable overheads. We can also consider this as a wages also. Well, 70 rupees per unit has been given in the problem. The material cost per unit, 70 into 10,000 units, 7 lakh, and the cost per unit for the next 6,000, 8,000 units is also going to be same, this variable cost 70, because the cost per unit is going to be same, but the cost will get changes due to the change in the number of units of budgeted production. Well, here 70 into 10,000 units you will get a 7 lakh, and 70 into 6,000 units you will get a 4 lakh 20,000. 70 into 8,000 units you will get a 5 lakh 60,000. Similarly, labor or wages, it has got 25 rupees per unit, and meanwhile for 10,000 units into 25 rupees per unit 2 lakh 50,000. 25 into 6,000 units 1 lakh 50,000. 25 into 8,000 units, so you will get a 2 lakh rupees. So 25 rupees is going to be common for all the levels, but the cost will get changed due to the number of units has got variated here, and variable cost gets variated due to the variation in the production of units. And then variable expenses. Variable expenses here is 5 rupees. Directly they have given in the problem. So 5 into 10,000 units 50,000, 5 into 6,000 units 30,000, 5 into 8,000 units 40,000. So this is about the variable expenses direct which they have given, and meanwhile the cost will also get changes due to the changes in the number of units of production. And next is about variable portion of the fixed cost and the variable portion of different cost here. Just we have to look at in the problem the variable portion of selling expenses, 90% variable cost, whereas 10% fixed on 13 rupees. Again, the selling expenses have got 11 rupees 70 paise. That means out of 13 rupees, 90% is variated. So 11.7 rupees into 10,000 units, you will get a 1,17,000. Whereas for next, the 11 rupees 70 is going to be common. Respectively, the number of units as it get variated, the cost will also get variated. And next is about distribution expenses. Distribution expenses here is about the distributed expenses, again 80% variable on 7 rupees, right? So 7 rupees is they have given here the distribution expenses 20% fixed, the distribution expenses. That means out of 7 rupees, 80% is going to be variable, remaining 20% is going to be fixed. So 80% of 7 rupees means 5 rupees 60 paise. So 5 rupees 60 paise multiplied by 10,000 units, 56,000, and 5 rupees 60 paise multiplied by 6,000 units, you will get a 33,600, and 5 rupees 60 paise multiplied by 8,000 units, you will get a 44,800. So this is about the different types of cost based on the different types of units of level of production. Next, the fixed overheads. Fixed overheads is going to be, the cost is going to be same for all the different levels. That is 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees during the time of 10,000 units, 1 lakh rupees during the time of 6,000 units, and 1 lakh during 8,000 unit. But the fixed overheads cost per unit will get variated here. So how we ascertained 1 lakh cost divided by 10,000 units, it is going to be 10 rupees cost per unit. And 1 lakh rupees of total cost divided by 6,000 units, you will get 16 rupees 67 paise. 1 lakh divided by 8,000 units, you will get a 12 rupee 50 paise. Next, the fixed portion of certain expenses, that is selling expenses, distribution expenses, and administration expenses. Fixed portion, as they have mentioned in the problem, selling expenses 13 rupees, out of 13, 10% is fixed. So it comes to 1.3. 10% on 13 rupees, it comes to 1.3 rupees. So 1.3 multiplied by 10,000 units, the fixed portion of selling expenses is going to be 13,000. Remaining 90% we have taken over here the variable portion of selling expenses cost, that is 90% of 13 rupees. As 10% becomes fixed, remaining 90% is going to be variable cost. So 11 rupees 70 paise there it has come, and now here 1 rupee 30 paise. Similarly here also the cost is going to be get variated. 10% fixed on 13 rupees, and 13,000 divided by 6,000 units, 2 rupees 17 paise, and here 13,000 divided by 8,000 units, 1 rupee 63 paise. 13,000, as it is a fixed portion, 13,000 is going to be same for all the levels. 13,000, 13,000, 13,000, as it is a fixed portion of selling expenses. So 13,000, here it is going to be 10,000 units, and as well as for 6,000 units, as well as for 8,000 units, as it is a fixed portion of selling expenses. But only the cost per unit gets variated here. 13,000 divided by 6,000 units, 13,000 divided by 8,000 units, you will get a different level of cost per unit, as we did for the fixed portion of the overhead cost 1 lakh rupees. Similarly, the distribution expenses here. The distribution expenses here, 27 rupees is the fixed portion of, here it is given. Fixed portion of distribution expenses cost per unit is 7 rupees. So 20% fixed on 7 rupees means it comes to 1 rupee 40 paise. So 1 rupee 40 paise multiplied by 10,000 units, you will get a 14,000. Remaining 80% we have taken in the variable portion, distribution expenses. See here, 80,000 variable on 7 rupees, and remaining 20% on fixed. And as it is a fixed cost, 14,000, again it is going to be same for all the 3 different level, but only the cost per unit get changed. 14,000 divided by 6,000 units, 14,000 divided by 8,000 units, you get a 1 rupee 75 paise. And next year, administration expenses, it is going to be similar for all the 3 different levels, as it is a cost, fixed overhead portion, it is going to be same for all the levels, but only the cost per unit get variated. As we have calculated previous calculation, similarly we need to calculate. And now we have to make it total of the all the different 10,000 units, 6,000 units, and as well as 8,000 units cost of all the three different levels. We get 15 lakh 50,000, and whereas 10 lakh 800 and 12 lakh 75,400. So this is about the solution. Thank you.